Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we show you the progress summary of our CASA-DINETAB. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Let's begin with step number 1. For step 1, you require 2 parts C's and 4 parts G's. This is a repeating step. Let's go ahead and assemble now. We can do the same for the other side. Let's move along to our next step. Next step, you'll require our previous installed part, 2 parts B, 12 parts F, an Allen key just to tighten, and 1 part D. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Let's assemble. We'll be using parts D, which goes at the bottom. We are going to do the same for the other side. Next, we'll be using our part B to be assembled on the top of the tables here. Let's go ahead and assemble now. We're going to do the same for the other side. Let's move on to our final step. For our final step, you need parts A, the tabletop, an Allen key just to tighten, and 8 parts F, the screws. Let's go ahead and assemble now. We're going to go ahead and tighten up the screws now. Thank you for watching the product assembly of our CASA-DINETAB. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies and more of our products. Thank you.